In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your app in Lovable.dev on your PC. Let's start at the very beginning. On your PC, open your preferred web browser. Any modern option like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work well. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the editor and preview load smoothly. In the address bar at the top, type lovable.dev and press enter. This takes you to the Lovable website where you can access the editor and your projects. Once the page loads, log into your account. Use your usual login method and double-check you're signing into the correct workspace if you have more than one. If you were already signed in, you may be taken straight to your dashboard without seeing the login screen. That's perfectly fine. After logging in, you'll see your list of projects or apps. Find the project you want to work on and click it to open it in the Lovable editor. Give it a moment to load. Larger projects may take a few extra seconds. Inside the editor, you'll notice the interface is organized with panels for code or components and a toolbar across the top. We're interested in the control in the top left area. Look toward the top left corner of the editor for the Preview or Play button. It may appear as a triangle icon or be labeled Preview or Play depending on the current layout. If your window is small and you don't see it right away, try maximizing the browser window or zooming out slightly so the full toolbar is visible. Hovering your mouse over the icons can also reveal helpful tooltips. Click the Preview or Play button. Lovable will build and run your app in preview mode. This may open in a new tab, a new window, or a panel inside the editor depending on your settings. Give it a moment if it's the first time you're previewing after making changes. Once the preview is ready, you'll see your app as users would experience it, including navigation, forms, and interactions. Preview mode is designed for quick testing. It's great for checking layouts, verifying that buttons and links work, and making sure data is displayed correctly. Keep in mind that certain development or environment settings might differ from production, so treat this as a safe space to experiment. If you make changes in the editor, the preview may refresh automatically or after a quick rerun. That's it. You opened your browser, went to lovable.dev, logged in, opened your project, and launched the preview. Now you can iterate quickly and confidently.